It is about that time, y'all. I got my Red Aglonema here, and I've had this one for about 2 years, so I feel like I finally got it dialed in. I had a previous experience or two with the Red Aglonema, and they didn't turn out as well as this one. So in this video, I want to give you my wealth of knowledge on this plant and what you can do to have a nice lush turnout. Let me see if I can get you the best angle here and just show you what this is all about. I mean, very colorful, really popular. I see a lot in the plant stores. You can find them in your box stores, definitely in your garden nurseries. They're here to stay. People love them. But the issue quite often that we run into is just not having enough humidity, not the proper type of light. However, it can adjust to a lot of different light settings. I would keep this more in the medium range. You can do bright light, but be careful. Too much direct light is gonna really wound your plant, and it can take a low light. So keep that in mind when you're searching around your house for the right spot. It's pretty versatile in that regard. I believe that the water requirements are going to vary based upon its light conditions. So just know that if it's getting less light, it's going to less watering versus more light, more water. And while we're still on the subject of precipitation, definitely give this thing lots of humidity. I mean, I've beat this subject to death, but every single time I really want to drive it home. I got my pebble tray underneath here. Not the best example, there's no pebbles in it, but once this video is up, I'm gonna get right on that. That pebble tray is just gonna be a lifesaver because this one here definitely wants all the humidity you can give it. It's from a very, very tropical, humid, hot environment. And so you really wanna try to replicate that as much as you possibly can. And doing that, you know, keep it in a nice warm spot, avoid cold drafts, and you're gonna have a happy plant. The soil type, just a great, fertile, well-draining soil. You can fertilize as much as you like. I've just been using slow release fertilizers, so like Osmocote is what I've been using. Just sprinkle it liberally in there. And that's going to give you more color in the leaves. It's not the fastest growing plant, so don't really think that, you know, if I give it fertilizer, it's just going to take off. It's really more of it's really more to supplement that color in the foliage. But, you know, this is a slow growing plant. I mean, I've had it for 2 years, and I really believe like some of these tips here are some of the newest growth. It's really been about this size the whole time. So I'm okay with that. They can, you know, get really nice and full. I really like the kind of tropical vibe that it gives off. But really outside of that, it's just about getting the light and the humidity right, and everything else falls into place. If you're looking out for more tropical videos on plants or tropical plant videos, stay tuned to my channel. Definitely subscribe. Look out for that bell notification. And thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.